What's up, y'all? This is Howard Talks. Like and subscribe to my channel. What's up, y'all? So, I saw a video today and I had a question. The video's title is $1,000,000 House Starts Sliding Off Mountain Caught on Camera. Technically, it may be a drone, maybe. It says a luxury home sits on the edge of disaster at the hillside beneath it begins to collapse. The pool already cracked and siding, and the ground continued to give away. Heavy equipment rushes to stop what could become a complete structural failure. I guess my first question is, as many earthquakes as California has, why are you building your house on a mountain? Listen, I know you have the money to build your house any and everywhere. But why are you continuing to build your house on a mountain? I'm just saying. I mean, listen, I went to go visit my dad, and he stays in North Carolina, right? So he let's see. Now, he had a house in Raleigh. I guess he sold that one, and then he had two houses where he at right now. So he said he had sold it because the taxes was killing him and stuff. So he sold it for, at least 500K plus. I said, okay, that's good. Now, his wife took me over to go look at it. And I said, oh, this is really nice. This is real spacious. But the house is on a hill. My house has to be on flat ground. Not because it's because it makes mowing the grass a whole lot easier. Our driveway is somewhat on a small, tiny hill. But I mean, houses that's like on the hill. Now, if it's going to be on the hill, then it literally has to be like on the hill, way at the top up there, but not actually like sliding off. But you guys get the point. I mean, California has at least about 10,000 earthquakes per year. Small, medium, large, but like I said, you built your house on a hill. I know. I mean, you built your house on a mountain. I mean, for the view, yeah, it's understandable. But for me, like I said, knowing that how many earthquakes that California has, I wouldn't take the chance. I don't know how much the property insurance is. I'm pretty sure it's up there because you're on a mountain somewhere. And like I said, all it takes is a big giant earthquake to just shake your whole house right off into the ground. I'm just like I said, $1,000,000, put your house on the mountain so you can see the view. And then we as family members gotta drive all the way up to the mountaintop. I'm just like, can't you just be down here? We be down here, we be all right. You know what I'm saying? But to each of his own. I just thought I'd throw that out there. I'm just like, you got all the money in the world. I prefer that you put your house on the island, you surrounded by water, versus you building it up there on the mountain. Just because I like flat ground. You know what I'm saying? But y'all tell me what y'all think. Y'all tell me if y'all like your houses on the hill or whether y'all like it on flat surfaces. It just makes my job easier when it's on flat surfaces versus this on this mountain crap. All you need is a big strong earthquake and shake everything right off the mountain and stuff. And now you done paid 1 point something million for this house, and now you got to go look for another house, and hopefully you don't build that one on the mountain either. Well, whatever. This is how it talks. Like and subscribe to the channel, and I'm out.